Hangzhou Joy Kitchen Equipment Company Limited is a supplier specializing in food equipment. The office is located in Hangzhou, Zhejiang. Our location is very convenient for transportation. By 2022, our customers have covered 100 countries. Our main products are fryers, ovens, food warmers, sushi machines, and also bakery machines. We support one-stop service and OEM with a strict quality management system. We have a wide range of production with own brand Joy and has been developed into one of the foremost players in the field. We strictly control product quality and obtain Europe CE certificates. We have an excellent sales and after-sales team to provide quality services to ensure that the equipment you purchase runs well. At the same time, our logistics system is very developed to ensure that you receive the goods on time. Whether you are in Europe, North America, South America, the Caribbean, or Australia, Africa, Asia, and even the Pacific region, don't worry. We can transport goods quickly, not only traditional CIF, FOB, and also we can do door-to-door DDP. Whether you are an end user or a distributor, we have sufficient experience to ensure your project is completed smoothly. Contact us if you have any questions or suggestion of the products and orders. We will guide you how to order and offer solutions based on your project. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together. Choosing joy is to choose joy.